Georgetown Mayor Patricia Chase Green says more financial and other resources are necessary as City Council continues efforts to provide proper solid waste disposal, cleaning and maintenance of drains and street lighting. Here's this report.
Mayor Chase Green expects increasing demands on municipal services. She noted the current tax rate of $1,200 annually is inadequate to address these needs.
In the next couple of months, it's already started, there are more people utilizing Georgetown. There are more buildings going up. There will be more need for water. There will be more solid waste management problems because when you had one household and you would have had one garbage bin, you're having 7-story buildings going up with at least 4 apartments or 4 offices on one floor. So you're talking about an increase like 28 from 1 to 28.
Additionally, the mayor said that the municipal's greatest challenge is the indiscriminate disposal of solid waste.
We are struggling right now with what we have to do. While we clean, we have persons who still don't understand there is need to keep their immediate space clear and not the dump. How can we help with our solid waste management? I think my own personal view, we need to start in the schools with the children with the recycling, reusing, so at least a new generation can come up trying to save the environment. We cannot continue to dump as usual.
The city's mayor was addressing participants at the Regency Hotel Monday last as the Department of the Environment hosted the Georgetown leg of regional consultations on the Green State Development Strategy. The GSDS is the national development plan that aims to provide the foundation for an inclusive green economy. Paul McAdam for InfoHub.